Hello traders, hello investors, how are you doing today my friends? Welcome to another video here in the Finance Hydra channel. Today Apple is dropping more than 2%. It is a catastrophe, right? Apple is losing its most important support level for the midterm. See this black line over here at $157? It was a top over here, a support, 1, 2, 3, 4 times in the past. Right now we are losing this support level. That's extremely frustrating, so we gotta work with a few scenarios on Apple from now on. We gotta assess our options, understand how Apple is behaving, and try to understand how we should behave, how we should react next in such a terrible situation over here. So again, my friends, if you are new around here, remember to click on the subscribe button to support this channel, and if you are already my subscriber, click on the like button. Now, Apple. Let's start analyzing Apple in the 1 hour chart. I believe not all hope is lost. Not at all. Because although we lost the most important support level in the midterm, we still have this support level in the 1 hour chart. $152 precisely. That's a round number, okay? $152, this black line down here. If Apple closes above this black line, I think it's going to be a good sign, okay? It's not going to be, it's not going to be extremely good, but it's going to be an exhaustion sign in some way, because Apple is going to do a false breakout from the previous support level in the 1 hour chart. In the daily chart, there is still room for a further drop to at least $147. So the situation couldn't be more complex right now. However, again, if we close above $152, Apple could easily react, and we have another open gap over here. This gap, I do believe it's going to be filled, so we have 3 gaps to fill right now, and any bullish reaction on Apple is going to be an excuse to buy it, because the gaps are going to be our targets, and $176 is the optimal target for a midterm reversal on Apple. However, we don't see any meaningful bullish reversal right now, okay? We don't. Oh, it seems we filled this gap, right? An exhaustion gap. 154, 154 and 12. Oh no, we didn't fill this gap. So this gap is open as well. So we have a lot of gaps to work with from now on. If Apple fills this gap tomorrow or by Wednesday, it will confirm us an exhaustion gap, and it's going to be a very nice buy opportunity on Apple right now at this moment, maybe this week. So we gotta wait. In the daily chart, okay, if we don't fill this gap, if we don't trigger a midterm reversal, fine. We will probably drop to $147, okay? This black line down here. In the weekly chart, if we analyze the long term, the trend is still bullish, okay? It is still a crystal clear bull trend on Apple. And there is not a single bullish reversal sign on it. So we can't say that Apple is going to be a sell, it's worth to short it right now. In fact, it is totally the opposite. Right now, Apple, it is not worth to short at all, and I do not recommend selling it in this circumstance, because the Nasdaq is in a support level, okay? It is clearly in a support level. The Nasdaq dropped more than 20% from the top, so now is not the time to sell, now is not the time to short. The time to short was up here. Right now it's simply not worth it. If you sell your stocks at this point, it would feel like you are selling to a smart hedge fund or portfolio manager who's going to buy from you near a support level, waiting for an upside at least to the 21 exponential moving average. Regarding Apple, this guy would be waiting for it to fill all of its previous gaps to retest $176 again. So this guy would buy from you below 152 to sell at $176. So this is how I see the situation. I think it is not worth to sell. As someone who's out of Apple right now, totally out, and let's do hypothetically everybody here is out of Apple as well. You see a situation like this, well, personally speaking by myself, I would say now it is worth to wait for an opportunity to buy. I would remain neutral. I am neutral right now at this moment, but I would be waiting for a bullish sign, for a bullish structure to buy. I would not consider shorting it at this moment because it makes no sense for the reasons I already explained to you guys. So I would be just neutral. I would just wait for the smart money to kill themselves over here at this area, and after we see a crystal clear bullish structure, a clear entry point, then okay, that's my opportunity, that's my lead, that's my chance to buy Apple at a lower price level, at the lowest price level possible. I can easily set the risk reward ratio of this trade. Now we are quite good. Okay, so this is how I would proceed as a free trader, as a retail trader, just like you, just like everybody else over here. These are my insights on Apple, and if you want to beat the market with me, consider subscribing at my trading newsletter, the Finance Hydra trading newsletter. It is the only newsletter that you're gonna see around, which the results are totally public. You may just click here to see my results, and you're going to be redirected to this public document, updated every single week. You may check my personal trading log over here since 2021 and since this year over here. So you have plenty of data. You may follow me in this one. Just subscribe. You have 7 days trial. So the first newsletter is for free. So why not, right? The first one is for free. So why would you lose such an incredible opportunity? Consider subscribing at my trading newsletter right now. Apple, okay, I am neutral, waiting for an opportunity to buy. When we analyze the weekly chart, the most important key point, the most important support level is $157 as well. This point is the most important key point on Apple. If we close above this point, I believe we're gonna see a bullish continuation in the long term. So let's wait for more clear signs. Let's wait for a clear bullish structure. If we see a bullish pivot point in the 1 hour chart, great. That's going to be our first indicator that Apple will do a very nice reversal. Again, it is just an opportunity to buy. I am not considering shorting or selling Apple at this moment at all. And if this video was helpful, remember to subscribe because this content is good. I told you this content was quite good. So thank you very much for watching this video, my friend. Stay safe. Farewell.